Ever found yourself wanting to switch how you pay for your Neon subscription but felt a little lost in the digital wilderness? You're not alone. It happens. Maybe your old card expired, you got a shiny new one, or perhaps you just want to link your account to a different payment source. Whatever the reason, updating your payment details on Neon is actually quite straightforward. Think about it. You're all set to dive into the latest episode of your favorite show or catch that must-see movie, but then you realize your payment information needs an update. It can be a bit of a buzzkill, right? But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process step by step, making sure you can get back to your binge watching in no time. So, how exactly do you make this change? Well, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Neon website. You can do this on your computer, tablet, or even your phone's browser. Just type in the Neon web address, and you'll be on your way. Once you're on the Neon homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You'll usually find a sign in or log in button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on that, and enter the email address and password associated with your Neon subscription. After you've successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to your account settings. This is where you'll find all the options related to your profile, subscription, and, importantly, your payment information. Look for something like Account, Settings, or even your name or profile icon. Clicking on this should lead you to a menu with various options. Within your account settings, you should be able to find a section specifically related to billing or payment. It might be labeled something like Payment Methods, Billing Information, or Subscription Details. Click on this section. Here, you'll likely see your current payment method listed. To make a change, there should be an option to update payment method, change payment details, or something similar. Click on that. Now, Neon will probably ask you to enter your new payment information. This might include your new credit or debit card number, expiry date, and CVV code. If you're switching to a different payment type, like PayPal, you'll likely be redirected to their secure login page to authorize the change. Make sure you double-check all the information you enter to avoid any errors. Typos in your card number or incorrect expiry dates can lead to payment failures and interruptions to your Neon service, and nobody wants that. Once you've entered your new payment details, there will usually be a Save, Update, or Submit button. Click on this to finalize the changes. Neon might take a moment to process the update, and you might even receive a confirmation email to let you know that your payment method has been successfully changed. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully updated your payment method on Neon. Now you can relax, grab your popcorn, and get back to enjoying all the great content Neon has to offer without worrying about any payment hiccups. It's a simple process designed to get you back to your entertainment as quickly as possible. So, the next time you need to update your payment information on Neon, just remember these steps. It's all about navigating to your account settings and finding the billing or payment section. You'll be a pro at it in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.